That tickles. That really tickles. Oh, God. Oh, that's my scarf. Yeah, you're eating it. Oh, no, no, no. Stop it. Come on. Please stay safe. Come on.
Come on, Jim.
Colega.
Hi! We're gonna feed him through the sunroof? Yeah. Look at his tongue!
Oh, I dropped it down. Oh, God, the zebra's
There's a zebra! I mean,
Come on. Let's get
there's a giraffe head in our sunroof that's slobbering.
I'm out of here.
I'm sorry. Come on, move. Move. Easy. Easy. Hey! 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 Look at them all. Just keep coming. Keep going. Charlie, what the
Oh my god, we're gonna try. Hey bro, he's in my Oh my god, he's gonna hit me in the head.
No, I'm not feeding shit. I'm trying to drive.
Oh my God.
Without killing anything.
Oh, okay, he took the bag. He took the bag.
He took the whole bag.
Oh my God.
Oh no, Mimi, get some more.
Whoa, you boy. Get back out! She wants to make baby with you. Just scream when you...
Je gels eruit nu, Paul. Oh, goeie grap.
Hi there. Would you like a piece of food? Oh God.
What's she doing?
She just comes at me with teeth.
Again. Be careful.
All right. Oh, did you want one too, little person? No, not you. Other guy. You. With the horns. Don't bite me.
Better watch out. Here come the emus.
Oh God. I'm so afraid of emus. Oh
my god, it's the one with just one eye! Seriously, come on! Get out of my lap! But how do I get out? I can't! Okay, go! No, I can't! I'm trying to drive! Okay, stop it! Go away! Go! Get out of here! Ah, get out of here! Come on, man! Seriously, dude! Back off! Oh god, I think I heard it! Did I hurt it? Maybe that's why you have one! Oh, I took the bucket! Oh, shoot! Give me that! Nice! I took my bucket!
Well, that is scary. Hey, we don't stand a chance.
You want to touch it? Oh my god. You want to touch it?
One nail and 5 minutes.
Hey. Come down. Come down. She was trying to bite your hair. She's done.